A monopolistically competitive firm advertises in order to blink. In this case, we're just given that they're the monopolistically competitive firm, and we're told to explain why it advertises. So, to begin with, let's actually look at the questions before drawing this graph. So, option choice A says, shift the demand curve for its product to the left. So for this, we can draw the graph out. This would be supply, this would be demand. Now, if the demand is shifted to the left, the price of the good would decrease and the quantity produced would decrease. This is bad for the monopolistically competitive firm, and this wouldn't make sense because if they advertise and the demand shifts to the left, meaning that demand for the good decreases as they advertise, they wouldn't want to be advertising. So this doesn't make any sense, so A must be incorrect. B. Make the demand for its product less price elastic. This seems to be the correct answer, because if we were to analyze what a more price inelastic demand curve would look like, we can draw it out here. And this would be just a more steeper curve with less of a price elasticity. So now looking at this, we can clearly see that no matter what happens in the market, the demand for this good will be relatively stable. This is good for the firm, because if the demand for the good is relatively stable, that means that they'll be earning a constant profit. And that would make sense if they advertise, because people would be continuously buying that good. So B seems to make sense, and it seems to be the correct answer. C. Make its product more similar to its competitors. This is incorrect because by advertising and making their product more similar to its competitors, people would see the goods as substitutes, not as differentiated products. And monopolistically competitive firms always have differentiated products, not same goods. And if advertising results in the product being the same, then the consumers would be fine with buying the competitors' goods, not the monopolistically competitive firms' goods. So C is incorrect. D. Increase its positive externalities. This is incorrect because advertising cannot increase a firm's positive externalities. Positive externalities are inherent to the good. You can't create positive externalities. So D is incorrect.